A pipe has a length of 2 meters. It's open at one end and closed at the other end. Okay, this is your closed end, this is your open end. So there should be a node here. Node is here. Stationary wave is set up in the pipe, and there are 4 nodes and 4 antinodes in the length of the pipe. Length of the pipe is 2 meters. What is the wavelength of sound wave? So what we should know here, between any two nodes, what do you get over here? You get a loop over here. So this distance should be lambda by 2. This distance should be lambda by 2. So therefore, lambda by 2 here once, lambda by 2 here twice, lambda by 3 here, I didn't start the timer. Okay. Lambda by 3 here thrice, and here this should be lambda by 4. So what is happening? Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 would be 3 lambda by 2 plus this additional small one, lambda by 4, which will be equal to how much? Which will be, if I take the LCM, this should be 4, and this should be 2 2s are 2 3s are 6 plus 1s are, so this should be equal to 7 lambda divided by 4. So what will I do? I will now write 7 lambda by 4 is equal to 8. Lambda should be equal to 8 by 7, right? Am I right? No, by 2, sorry, this is 2 here, 2 4 2s are 8, 7, 8 by 7 over here. Lambda equal to 8 by 7. Calculate this value. So when I do this calculation, what do I get? Yes, 8 by 7 is equal to 1.14. 1.14 is closest to 1.1. B is the right answer.